hunger for the distance and a fever for the drills. The 5th of Old Victoria, 600 horses strong. To the rhythm of the steamship, they hummed a soldier's song. In the autumn of the Southern Cross, they left the port behind, with the wattle in their pockets and a sweetheart on their mind. Oh, the sun is high and biting on the ridges of the veldt, where the leather's cracked and thirsty and the iron triggers melt. From the Murray to the Vaal, boys, we've ridden far and fast. The 5th Victorian Rifles standing steady to the last. Look, the grass is tall and treacherous where the Boer marksmen lie, and the winter wind at Wilmansrust went screaming through the sky. Surprised amidst the silence when the moon was sinking low, they learned the price of empire in the shadows of the foe. Though the spirit took a bruising and the pride was tempered hard, they stood their ground as brothers, every picket, every guard. Oh, the sun is high and biting on the ridges of the veldt, where the leather's cracked and thirsty and the iron triggers melt. From the Murray to the Vaal, boys, we've ridden far and fast. The 5th Victorian Rifles standing steady to the last. Hey! They weren't just city dandies or the boys from dusty tracks. They were the bushman's courage with the world upon their backs. Through the fever and the skirmish, through the dust and through the mud, they wrote a page of history in sweat and salt and blood. Now the monuments are weathered and the veldt is silent now, and the horses all are resting from the saddle and the plow. But if you listen in the evening when the wind begins to blow, you'll hear the ghost of hoofbeats from 100 years ago.